Good morning, friends. Guess what? Today is my birthday. I would love if you guys wrote me a birthday letter or made a little card, and we can go over it tomorrow during our show and tell. If not, that's okay. We are going to get right into our lesson today, and I'm not going to keep you long. Our lesson is on short A. Short A makes the ah sound. The ah sound. Can you make that sound? Good job. Ah. Here are some words that will have short A in them. Can you spell the word fan? F-A-N. F-A-N. What sounds do you hear? First, you hear F, then you hear A, last you hear N. Awesome job spelling fan. The next word is ham. H-A-M. H-A-M. Ham. What sounds do you hear in ham? If you say you heard H-A-M, that is correct. Ham. The next word is hat. 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 What sounds do you hear in the word hat? If you heard H-A-T, you are correct. Next is the word man. Man. M-A-N. Man. If you heard M-A-N, you were correct. Next, mat. Mat. M-A-T. M-A-T. Yes. M-A-T. Mat. Pan. P-A-N. P-A-N. If you heard P-A-N, you were correct. What do all of these words have in common? They all have short A in the middle. You guys did a good job with that one. Let's work on sounding out some words. J-A-M. J-A-M. What sounds do I hear? J-am. J-am. What word do you think this is? If you said jam, you are correct. H-at. H-at. H-A-T. What word does that spell? If you said hat, you are correct. Let's look at the next one. F-A-N. 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 If you guessed fan, you are correct. And the last word, dad. Dad. Oh my goodness, I accidentally gave you the answer. D-A-D spells dad. D-A-D spells dad. Miss Parker is so silly. She gave you the answer. That's the dad. Yes. You all did such an awesome job with these short A words. Now it's time to do the dictation. You are going to write the sentence, I can see a man, period. I can see a man. Each line is for one of the words. I can see a man. So pause the video right now and write your sentence. I can see a man. Draw a picture to go with your sentence and upload it to the Google Classroom. All right. You guys can take a little break, pause the video, and now we're going to move into math once you come back. We're going to move into math once you come back. So, math is Among Us. We're still on the Among Us theme. Our objective. I can identify missing numbers. So some of the numbers are going to be missing. Wonder if my friends can help me figure out which ones. But before that, let's do our math talk. Tell me about these shapes. What do you know about these shapes? What do you know about these shapes? If you said this is a 2D shape and this is a 3D shape, you are correct. 3D shapes are solid and they have faces. This cylinder has a circle face. Oh my goodness, they have so many things in common. And they're both white shapes. Except one is flat and one is a solid. And you guys may have come up with some other ideas too. Think about your team numbers. We're not going to play the video, but I want you to think about the numbers. All right, let's see which numbers are missing. So we're starting at the number 10. Look at our cute little Batman Among Us. We're starting at the number 10, 11, 12. Something's missing. What numbers are missing? If you said 13 and 15, you are correct. 10, 11, 12, 13, 1 and a 3, 14, and 15. Let's look at these. 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness, 2 things are missing. Pokemon Among Us, can you help me? 8, 9, 10. If you said 11 and 12 are missing, you did an awesome job. 11 is a 1 and a 1, and 12 is a 1 and a 2. See the number patterns? Let's look at the next one. Oh, we're starting with 15, and we have our Mario Among Us. Already, I see missing numbers. 15. 16 is missing. 17 is missing. There's 18. There's 19. What is this missing number? Yes, it's 20. Yellow Among Us. Number 14. 15. Something's missing. 17 and 19. Let's see. 14, 15, 17, and 19. Wonder what numbers are missing. If you said 16 and 18, you are correct. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Awesome job. 13, 14. Oh, we had lots of missing numbers. Let me go back to that. 13, 14, 15 is missing, 1 and a 5. 16 is missing, 1 and a 6. 17 is missing, 1 and a 7. And 18 is missing, 1 and a 8. You did it. You did it. You did it. Yay, you did it. I'm so proud of my friends. All right, now it's time to show what you know. Show what you know. Write the missing numbers. 1 missing, 3 is here. Something's missing. 5 is here. Write all the missing numbers and upload them to the Google Classroom with your reading assignment. So your sentence and your numbers should be uploaded in the Google Classroom. And last but not least, your independent activity is to do 5 lessons on Dreambox and to do 30 minutes on iRead. I miss you all so much. I can't wait to see if you make me a card or a picture for show and tell tomorrow for my birthday. I will talk to you later, friends. Have the best day ever. And make sure you do your iRead and your Dreambox, because that is what I want my present to be. I want to win iRead and I want to win Dreambox. I will see you tomorrow.